All right, Bitcoin down 3% right now, $56,000, and that is actually quite a rebound from the depths it hit earlier today. Down 3% right now. Joining us now is Tanea Mukil. Tanea.
Tyler, it's great to see you. So today's big move is largely about Mt. Gox. This is the big exchange that 10 years ago went bankrupt after a major hack, and the trustee of the exchange has now begun repayments to creditors, which was expected. It said last week that that would start sometime in July. So you saw that in Bitcoin's price. It fell under 55K for the first time since February, although it's actually trimmed some of those losses, like you just said. Nevertheless, it has broken below a key support level at $57,000, and if it struggles to reclaim that for too long, Tyler, 49,000, it becomes new support. So this is likely a short-term move. There is nothing about it that fundamentally alters the positive second half outlook for Bitcoin. Investors still expect it to retest its all-time high this year, so you may see some try to build exposure into this dip. I was speaking with Zach Pandel from Grayscale, and I like the way he framed it. Think back to how closely we were watching the halving earlier this year. So that was a known positive supply event. It lowered the amount of Bitcoin supply that's being produced. And now we have this other source of Bitcoin supply coming in and kind of negating those positive effects of the halving, at least in the short term. So you're seeing Coinbase and MicroStrategy stumbling, and of course miners are under pressure. Additionally, $131 million in Bitcoin liquidations, long Bitcoin liquidations in the derivatives market over the past 24 hours. So that also adding pressure to prices.
Tanea, a quick question. A lot of people who missed the move in Bitcoin maybe in recent years were looking to Ether as a possible place to jump in because I believe that ETF approval has not happened yet, so maybe it could experience like a similar rally. But Ether has been hit twice as hard as Bitcoin this week, which maybe makes sense because it's usually twice as volatile. Anyway, what are you hearing on that front?
We are expecting to see those S1s for the ETH ETFs filed any day now, sometime this month for sure. So we know that the exchanges got approval a couple of weeks back to be able to list those, and now we are just waiting for the funds themselves to file those S1 registrations. It is looking, the outlook is very positive for that. I think the broad expectation is that those will be approved, and, it's not... I think that there are bigger movers between now and, drivers between now and the end of the year. So think of the macro and think of the upcoming U.S. election. But certainly in the short term, should we see those ETH ETF approvals, I think that you will get a little bump in ETH.
Right. Tanea, thanks very much. Tanea Mukil, we appreciate it.
Thanks, you guys.